Okie dokie. Dun, 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 dun. Ain't nothing wrong with the truck, just parked in a hole. Parked in the hole. There's a hole, there's a hole. There's a hole above the sea. Yeah, well, that works. Yeah, pick this thing up. I'll tell you what that's mud. That gun. Someplace we're gonna have to hold it and talk. Okay, that might work. Can't tell because I can't see the screen. I think I said this last video. I don't know. Maybe I didn't. Well, got that dry load undone. Unloaded. Yeah. Excited. Let me show you why I'm a little bit excited. I was in my safe space. Stopped off in the safe space there, baby. Oh yeah. Put some rounds down range. That's for damn sure. A little 9mm. That I carry with me. But actually it's empty. I chop all the rounds. Well, another box, shot those. I keep my two tactical tomahawks, blades every place, push daggers every place back inside my slinker. So if something breaks in my truck while I'm in there, blades are silent. Those different areas in the United States that the Rougarous hang out, dogmen, chunk of body over there, they tear the fuck out of it. Cops want question about dogmen. Oh, yeah, that's right. They don't no such thing as dogmen. Okay. But after I got that trailer empty, went to the drop yard, which it's another company. We're renting spaces. You know, dropped the empty dry trailer there, and look for just in case there was a reefer. And at the time, ain't trains cold. That Thermo King would be closed, the gates locked up and whatnot. So I was like, oh well. But I found a trailer. Someone had a note on it saying, you know, something's wrong. It's already been, you know, cleared to be taken to Thermo King. I tried jumping off and it was like, God, you really want to take a chance? I probably, if I get jumped off, might be a bad battery or something. But just keep it running, and take a chance, drop it off. It's like you have preloaded and it screws up. I might screw another driver out of a load or something, or fell on them. I got this Thermo King down the road. They got the trailer already done. Let's go do that, and that's what I did this morning. Took the trailer down there. It was an adventure trying to get in there, but I up the gate, backed up the other trailer, and hooked up to this one. I signed in another trailer. Hey, it's a piece of paper. Just put company name, trailer number. What's wrong with it? Codes won't start. It's like, now you can charge $136 an hour. You people can find out yourself. It's like, and that's fine with that. We're good. I gotta go over to Amarillo to a wash place, Blue Beacon. We got, you know, account there. Or we can stop at one of these other little mom and pop places, but I just don't need to deal with the other things you got to deal with to pay him. Just want to drive. Just take a little bit. It'd be a little bit out of my way, but no big deal. My load won't be done till later on this evening. Yipper. All right, let me show you something else. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, baby. Nothing. Yep. Stay tuned. Have no bullets yet. But they got this. It's have to be by a gun range. I can always go my safe space. Oh man, gunpowder. Oh my God. Anyways, bye. All those are offensive someplace. Germany, it's asshole. Middle East, up your ass. I think some places this, and other places show you bomb your foot. I don't know. I don't know. We're not been told.